All right, WMC, this is the video for the freebie for the mini helmet winner's choice number 4. So we'll check the time, July 6th at 8:39 p.m. We're going to go over to the freebie and type live. July 6th at 8:39 p.m. There is the list of our 2, 4, 6, 7 entries. 7 entries. We're just going to randomize your names, and then whoever's on top after the final roll is our winner. I did not include Eli in this because he won the other one, and I'm not going to give him I don't think he should win twice, so just going to do these 7 entries. All right, we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There's 8. All right, 8 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is Mike, spot number 1. So, Mike, you win the Alan Lazard Mini. There is our verification code, our timestamp once again, July 6th, 8:40 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.